The i-fibre bag is designed to hold all of your i-fibre products. It's great for transporting your items in your vehicle and to different buildings. It holds a lot of products inside. So for your i-fibre pads, there's a waterproof case inside so you can still pre-treat your items and use them in your facility for demoing or for cleaning facilities. The iScrub 26H has a separate bag, and you can put your cloths in its own bag as well. The nice thing about this is all the products can be pre-treated inside. You can zip them up so they stay nice and clean. Close the bag, take it in and out of facilities. When you're done using your i-fibre after a demo, you can put the i-fibre pads in the iScrub 26H or the cloths into the side pocket with a poly liner in it. The other side is designed like a briefcase. You can put your tablet in here, phone has a place for pens, business cards. The sides of the bag are designed for dry products. So you put your dusters or dust mops in the side pockets.